In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira notifications without getting overwhelmed. If your inbox is constantly filling up with Jira alerts, you are definitely not alone. Notifications are helpful when they keep you informed about the work that matters, but too many of them can make it harder to focus. The goal here is not to turn everything off. It is to make sure you only receive updates that are actually useful. To begin, open your notification settings in Jira. Start by going to Jira and clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Settings or Personal Settings, depending on the version you are using. Then click Notifications. This is where you can control the kinds of alerts Jira sends you, and it is the best place to start if things already feel a little noisy. Next, set your email preferences carefully. Look through the available notification types and choose the updates you really need to receive, such as issues assigned to you, mentions, and comments. These are usually the most important because they directly affect your work or require your attention. At the same time, turn off low-priority notifications like minor edits or bulk updates. Those can generate a lot of email without giving you much value, especially if you are involved in busy projects. Another useful tool is the Watch feature, but it works best when used selectively. Open an issue and click the Eye, or Watch, icon. Watching an issue means you will receive updates about it, so it is a good option when you are actively working on something and need to stay informed. The key is to only watch issues that are currently relevant. If you watch too many, you can easily create unnecessary noise for yourself. Just as important, make a habit of stopping watch on issues you no longer need to follow. Open an issue that is no longer part of your active work and click Stop Watching. This is a simple step, but it can make a big difference over time. Regularly cleaning up your watched issues helps keep your notifications manageable. You can also customize project notifications. Go to Project Settings, then select Notifications. Here, adjust which events trigger alerts, such as assignments, status changes, and comments. This gives you more control at the project level and helps make sure you are only notified about the events that matter most. Finally, mute noisy projects when needed. Open a project and adjust or disable notifications for that project, keeping only essential alerts enabled. If a project generates lots of updates but only a few are relevant to you, this can dramatically reduce distractions. With just a few small changes, Jira can become much easier to manage, helping you stay informed without feeling buried in notifications.